Welcome to the Oddities and Curiosities Expo Railfanning Expose. We got a whole bonanza of rail fanning here at Mimico Go. Off to the Oddities and Curiosities Expo at the Metro Toronto Convention Center for day one. We're starting off with a little bit of rail fanning. Here we go, we got some more rail fanning on our rail fanning Oddities and Curiosities rail fanning special. This flight is on its way to Union Station. Its next station of call is Exhibition, followed by Union, and this train will be on its Day one of the Oddities and Curiosities Expo has now ended, and now we like to finish our day off with some rail fanning at Mimico Go. This flight is now making its way to Long Branch Station and then on its way to Oakville, where it will be going out of service. This train will be going out of service at Oakville.